Okay, so let's quickly recap week 1, which is a short week, 4 days, and then we'll look into week 2. So I've graded everything you've submitted, your discussions, your introductory quizzes, and your self-grade for your discussion. So on all parts, very good. Your discussion, you guys were very active for the first week and only having 4 days to post and respond back. So great job to all of you there. I appreciate that. Okay, there's a few of you that need to get some of the work in, and a few of you that didn't get in the discussion yet. So hopefully you'll get into it by today sometime. I will have everything graded, so I always like to have everything graded on Sunday. So come Monday, you're all aware where you stand in the class week to week. So please try and get all that stuff in, and then I will get it graded later tonight, and you guys will know where we're at. Okay, so let me pull up on this screen week 2. So welcome to week 2. We are now in our first full week of class. We're going to start off with a discussion board going over female offenders. We're going to take note that male and female offenders possess many similar characteristics. They're both usually unemployed, undereducated, young, drug addicts, and come from dysfunctional families. We will go over and reflect on if theories based on males should be used to examine female criminality, and then go over why we need to study female offenders separately than our male counterparts. I just want to remind you in the discussion, you are required to respond to at least 2 posts each week. You're also required to be in the discussion board for a total of 3 different days. So don't wait until Saturday to post and respond to the discussion. It's only going to give you 1 day in there. So, but you guys, for the most part, posted early this week. So good job. This is a full week, so it should be a lot easier on you. Okay, we have our Career Connect group assignment starting this week. You're going to be assigned to a group with other students here. You need to get in touch with the other group members using the template for this assignment. Divide up the duties for the assignment, and groups will be posted in the groups button, and there's a discussion board where you can exchange ideas and files with your group members. So only members of your group will have access to those discussion boards, and I will be setting up these groups for you a little bit later today. Okay, so you have a written assignment this week called Week 2 Homicide. So you're going to be the prosecutor in this homicide case. You're going to read through the first scenario and go over and discuss which form of murder she will be convicted of. Then tell us why you choose this and support your findings. Then read through the second scenario and once again go over and discuss which form of murder she will be convicted of, and then tell us why you chose this and support your findings. Okay, your second writing assignment this week is Week 2 Theory and Social Process Essay. You're going to define the classical, positivist, social structure, and social process theories. You're then going to provide an example of each of the 4. So for this assignment, you have the option to email it to me. There's a link in here and throughout anywhere in this class by Tuesday night, November 10th, 2020 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time before submitted to be graded. So I will then go over this assignment, suggest some possible changes or corrections that are needed. I will then send it back to you, and you can make the changes if you like, and then you can submit it for grading. Okay, so you also have a quiz, week 2 quiz. It consists of 10 questions. It's untimed, but you only have one time to take it. So take your time to ensure you get all the questions right. We also have our reflection for the week 2. You're going to reflect on one of the following topics we covered this week: common law, mens rea, and actus reus, felonies, misdemeanors, social theories, and women in crime. Choose one of these topics and describe how it relates to your personal or professional life. So your responses here should be at least 150 words with good sentence structure, good spelling, proper grammar. Okay, so if you're behind any work from week 1, let's get that submitted as soon as you can. These are 7.5 week long classes, and they end pretty quick, right when we know we're coming up on our last couple of weeks. So as always, if you have any questions, call me, text me, or email me. Okay, good luck to all you in week 2.